stem guitar. We are in our doing our wiring holes, and we're going to take a look at drilling in our jack hole. So here's what we want to do. We're going to put in this jack hole, and it goes all the way through to our electronics pocket. All right, so that's what we're trying to accomplish. So this one's already done, and now we're going to show the steps on how to do it with one that's not done. So first thing what we want to do is we want to line up where our jack hole is. So we're going to take a 45-degree triangle, and we're going to put one edge down the center line of the body, and we're going to run a 45-degree angle so that it comes out right here. So it's missing through the bridge area, and it's missing the pickup frames. So it's got to get right through this channel, if you will, and we're going to run right out here. And we put the line in already, and we transfer the line in, and we put in a center punch of where the jack's going to go. Okay, now we're going to bring that over to our guitar vise. And we are going to use a Milwaukee M18 power drill with a 7/8 Forstner bit. All right, and that's an Irwin Forstner bit. Right, that's what a Forstner bit looks like. It cuts nice clean holes around the edges. So we're going to get it at 45-degree angle to the line, and we're going to go down nice and slow to start with until we get it pulled out. And every once in a while you pull it out, and as you can see, we have the start of our jack hole. We're going to pause here, and we're going to put our electronics pocket in, and then we'll come back and we'll pop it all the way through to our electronics pocket. So if you have your electronics pocket done, you would just keep going until it pops into your electronics pocket.